Hey, what's up you guys, welcome to a new video, and today I'll be showing you how to buy a domain name using Namecheap. So first of all you need to navigate yourself to Namecheap, but I actually have a better way, a cheaper way of doing it. So you need to go to Google and write Namecheap promo codes and click the first link here, and that will lead you right here. So pick a offer you like that best suits you, and I'm going to go with this one. And here you're offered to search your domain, so type any domain you would like to register, and I will type dailyhustleblog.com. There we go, and search. Alright, it's available. It's only $8.88 per year, much better than most of its competitors. And I'm gonna add it to cart, and there we go. And just to check everything, dailyhustleblog.com. Alright, that's okay, and proceed to checkout. And right here you see this domain privacy. Usually you pay this extra with most of the sites, and I'm gonna compare it to GoDaddy. GoDaddy is one of the most famous, or better said, most well-known pages for domain buying. And right here for the, let's select 2-year plan. So 2-year plan here would be $18, and at GoDaddy it would be $35. So yeah, please guys, don't waste your money. Go with Namecheap. It's called Namecheap for a reason. So let's continue. Alright, and I will just select 1 year, and this is very important. You don't want all of your information to be publicly available, so this domain privacy takes care of that. And I'm gonna confirm order, and right here you just fill all of the information needed, and I'm gonna do it right now. There we go, and press continue. Alright, here you need to put your credit card information. Alright, continue. And there we go, everything is done. My domain dailyhustleblog.com is registered, and now I can build a site around it. And the main reason I bought a domain is because I needed a business email to send emails from for my affiliate offers. So if you open a new tab and write daily hustle, sorry, I can't write and speak at the same time. There we go. You will see this site, but on your own native language. And yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching. And if you got some value from the video, please like and subscribe, and comment down below what kind of videos do you want to see in the future, and I'll do my best to deliver. So yeah, have a good one guys.